In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Asana project data to a spreadsheet and review it. First, open the specific Asana project or data set you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace and project, especially if you manage multiple teams or have projects with similar names. Make sure you have the right permissions to view the content you want. If you can see the tasks in Asana, you should be able to export them. Next, look for the project menu, often represented by a three-dot icon near the project title. This menu is your hub for project level actions. Click it to expand your options. If your Asana layout looks a little different, don't worry. Interfaces can vary slightly. Just keep an eye out for the menu connected to the project header rather than task-specific settings. Within that menu, find the export or export print option. It may be grouped with other project settings, so scroll if needed. If you don't immediately see it, try widening your browser window or switching from board to list view. Sometimes display settings affect which options are visible at a glance. Once you spot export or export/print, click it to move forward. You'll be prompted to choose a file format. Select CSV if it's available. CSV is widely compatible with Excel, Google Sheets, and most data tools, making it a safe and flexible choice for analysis and sharing. If additional formats appear, pick the one that best fits how you plan to review the data, but CSV remains the most common for quick spreadsheet work. After you select the format, the export will begin and your file will download. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar or check your downloads folder. Consider renaming the file right away with a clear descriptive title and today's date so it's easy to find later and you avoid confusion with other exports. Now open the exported file in Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred tool. You can double-click the file, drag it into an open spreadsheet window, or use the program's file and import options. Once it's open, review your data for completeness. Look for key columns such as task name, assignee, due date, section, and status. If dates or special characters look odd, adjust the column formats to date or text as needed. Freezing the top row helps keep headers visible while you scroll. Apply filters to quickly slice by assignee, section, or due date, and sort to surface overdue tasks or upcoming priorities. This quick check ensures your export accurately reflects the project, setting you up for clear reporting and next steps.